Hey, it's Richard here, and great news because you are in. You have been approved. You're one of my final 10 members to make it through. Your account has been approved. Your GPS Trader software is now ready and just requires activating. So are you ready to start banking the profits from your winning trades? Trades that are already stacking up in your trading account. You are seconds away from seeing hundreds of thousands of dollars streaming into your checking account. Think about it. Dollars will be streaming into your checking account faster than a lottery win. Like I said before, you will be in a position to never have to worry about money ever again. Have the dream vacations you want. Buy the new dream car, the new house. Bestow gifts to your close friends and family. Splash out at that fancy restaurant. A new wardrobe of exclusive clothes. Family adventures. It's all waiting for you right now, right here. So here is exactly what you need to do now to light the cash fuse. And this is absolutely vital in order for you to start banking that $20,000 per day starting today. I repeat, this next step is absolutely vital. And I must stress how important this is. Now that you have registered with my personal broker, you need to fund your trading account. Fund your trading account so that your money-making software can start making the winning trades for you. The quicker you make the deposit, the quicker your software will start working and generating you the life-changing money. You will start to see the $20,000 profits hitting your checking account in less than 24 hours. If you want to make more, you can fund your account with more. I recommend you fund the account with an amount you are comfortable with. Let the software start making money for you. Once you have funded your account, you will get access to your fully loaded GPS Trader software. And my brokers team will integrate everything for you. You don't have to do a single thing other than fund the account ready for it to start trading and making you money. Remember, the GPS Trader software will trade for you with a 100% strike rate. And it's designed to be totally hands-free, so there is no space for human error. Just sit back and let it roll. So all you need to do now is fund your account with my personal broker's minimum deposit. You can fund it with more if you are happy to do that. That way you make up to 3 times more and over $10,000 per day. Now, listen carefully because I have some live update information for you. As of right this second, we have only 2 places remaining, and you are only seconds away from joining us, so do it now. Join our exclusive group in making millions of dollars for each and every one of us. And take a look at these figures from yesterday. There is no other way on earth that you can make this kind of money with such a small one-off deposit. It's just not possible unless you make that first deposit with my broker right now. This is the only way your software will become fully active and start making you money. And remember, I'm so keen for you to work with us because I'm going to make my share on top of what you make. And I only get my cut after you have been paid. You will receive 100% of all your winning trades deposited tomorrow into your checking account. All 100% of it. My share will be paid to me on top of that, so you get 100% of your profits tomorrow. But of course, for that to happen, you do need that small amount of money in your account so it can start trading. You can still withdraw your money at any time. Remember, it is still your money. You are just putting it into your own personal trading account, which is just like you having another bank account, one which you can access at any time. You are still in full control of this money. You can put a request in any time and the funds are released instantly. If you like, you can withdraw it back tomorrow along with your first $20,000 profit payment. Remember, you can make as much as $140,000 per week with this, just like our current members, and make instant cash withdrawals to the checking account of your choice. I recommend withdrawing at least $100,000 per week in your first month. What's important now is that you fund your new trading account with whatever you can afford and a minimum of $250. As the more you deposit, the larger the returns will be by tomorrow. And there are only 3 places remaining, so please do it now so you won't be disappointed. It's only fair I do this on a first-come, first-served basis. Make sure you don't miss out on this by funding your account via the link below this video. Fund it now. Don't wind up regretting it tomorrow. When you can make money in the next few minutes by making that deposit, that's all you need to do. The profits will come in automatically as soon as you fund your account. Everything else is set up for you. It's done. So fund it now. And it's party time. I'll see you on the next video after you've funded your account. I'll personally show you how you will make $80,000 by the weekend. Act now, and your life is about to change forever. All you need to do is fund the account so you can get started. Remember, you can withdraw your funds at any time. It's still your money, as is everything your new trader account is about to start making. It's all yours. My percentage comes off the top when the trades are made, and only after you have been paid. Click the link below to start making life-changing cash minutes from now. It's important you do this right now so we can get started. Fund your account now, and let's get you started.